In today's video, we'll be looking at the average function in Excel. The average function is used when you want to calculate the average of a group of numbers. Instead of adding everything up manually and then dividing by how many numbers there are, Excel can automate that calculation for you. In this example, we have a list of students and their scores across 3 tests. What we want to do is calculate each student's average test score. The formula we're going to use in this cell here is equals average, open paren, B2, and then to D2, and then a close paren. This tells Excel to average out all of Alex's results over the 3 tests, and when I hit enter, we see the average calculated in this cell. Now that we have this formula filled out, we can just click on the bottom right corner of the formula cell and drag down so that it automatically changes the formula in each cell to calculate the correct row. We can also use the same process to calculate a column instead of a row. So let's add the formula in this cell here and calculate the average scores for test 1. So equals average, open paren, B2, colon B6, and close paren. When we hit enter, we then have the averages for test 1. Then we can do that same dragging motion to automatically calculate the averages for the other 2 tests. The average formula will ignore blank cells. So if a student in this case has not taken one of the tests, Excel will skip that cell as part of its calculation. But be careful with this. A blank cell is very different from a 0. A blank cell is ignored, however a 0 is calculated and will change the average. And that's the average function in Excel. Use average when you want to quickly find the mean value of a group of numbers, whether that's test scores, sales totals, expenses, ratings, or anything else numeric. If this video has been useful, please consider liking it and subscribing to the channel for more Excel tutorials.